What's going on, everybody? We're back at it again, fishing here today. Here with my boy Drew. You know what I'm saying? We're out here pond hopping, trying to catch some bass. Let's get it. That Yamamoto bait, little jig head.
Like the piano bait? Yeah.
There we go. All right. Yeah.
Dang, that one's out there.
Yeah, he's a fat boy. You can cast him out. I'm gonna let him sit. Might reel him in a little bit and let him sit. But.
That's where I kept getting caught on something. So it might be
That's okay. It's hitting the bottom. Yeah, I can feel it dragging the bottom. It's getting caught on stuff. And there aren't any, well, at least to mine, I didn't just cross your line, did I?
Huh?
I didn't cross your line, did I?
No, my brother.
And the thing about this pond is there's not really any, there's not any catfish in here, which kind of sucks.
Where are the catfish?
I know some ponds nearby where they're at.
Well, I wouldn't be opposed to switching ponds. I don't think we're
Yeah, this pond's pretty dead. All right. I mean,
the best luck you had was when you had one of those.
I know. I came out here and caught a bunch before though.
I mean, I've caught some out here before in this pond with you.
Oh, I got one.
Oh,
Didn't even know he was on there.
he's a smaller one.
Yeah, he is. Well, he's bleeding.
Oh, did you snag it by the gill?
I don't know what I got him on. Hang on. Don't flop around. I'm gonna save you. Don't worry.
Oh, that one is bleeding.
Dang, I got him good.
Yeah, you sure did.
Okay, hang on.
You see the hook?
Yeah, I see it. Try not to.
Damn, that thing is in there.
Try not to tear out his innards. No, did he? Okay, buddy. Try to let him go. Beautiful fish, man. I got him right in the gills. He swallowed that thing.
He sure did.
Okay.
See you, buddy.
There we go. Okay. Yeah, dude, his gills were like getting messed up. I was like,
I know, that thing was,
I was trying to be delicate, but because I don't think there's too many bass in this pond, so like I don't want to. Look at that blood he put on there, dude.
Huh?
Look at that blood he put on there.
Won't that be better for the bait though, kind of?
I don't know. All right, the Yamamoto bait works.
Yeah, that was your what, second cast?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I know a few spots like near our high school, like on the back roads.
I remember going to that one place by the bus.
Yep.
I remember
You went with me there?
Yes, you sent me over there once. I think that was the last time I went fishing. I remember that. That it was by the bus. We go over there.
Oh yeah, I'm getting bites on this. Maybe they prefer this, I don't know. And each pond's different too. There's a bite. Take it, take it. Dude, I worked like 60 hours this week. I know I sound like a baby, but
60's more than 40. Don't they usually stop biting?
I mean, they get used to baits, but that's why you gotta switch baits up. I might have to do just that. I don't know. Sometimes they're just stupid and they just keep biting. I don't think there's anything that big in here. Could try that one he was talking about back there, but I never have luck back there. He said he catches a bunch back there. But then again, it's been a long time since I've been back there, so it might be different. I went back there when that place wasn't houses and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And like it was like fields and snakes were everywhere. Don't tell me that strategy worked. Oh my gosh, it worked. That's a different one.
Yeah.
He's different for sure. He's a little bigger. He's not that much
He's
bigger.
definitely a little bigger, I agree. That one just barely caught him.
Yeah, his gills aren't messed up. It's not him. See, that's how it should be. Easy little good. Know what I'm saying?
There you go.
The Yamamoto bait. I can put this on for you too, if you want.
Okay.
But then again, or if you want to switch ponds, I don't care.
Bro's got lure one on his bait.
Do what?
Bro's got lure one on his bait.
I know. Lure one. I want to get luck at the sea though. I want to get. What the heck was that? I don't think that. I think I just got caught on the bottom there. Come on. Changing baits up. We're gonna go to a darker chatterbait here. A little black color. A little black and dark blue color. There we go. No! Dang it! He was right here and he freaking fell off. I'm so trash. We are en route to pond number 2. Caught a couple bass. Wasn't that great, but we're hoping to have better luck at this next one in this same neighborhood. If we don't have luck here, we're driving somewhere. Isn't that right, Drew?
Yes.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Oh, that was horrible. What was that? The old guy who said he fishes back here to talk to us too also said there's carp in here. Said he tries to kill them, invasive species. You know, maybe if I was gonna fish a weighted jig with a soft plastic, maybe I should have used a different line than braid, but you know what? Like I said, we're beginners. I would love to catch a catfish, man. I would love to catch a catfish. I'm gonna be a little wuss if I catch one though. Gonna be handling it like a little wuss. Don't wanna get stoned. All right, I haven't got a bite so far. That old man's capping. He was telling some old man stories, man. There ain't no fishing here. This water seems a little deeper too than the last pond. Oh yeah? You've been preparing for fantasy with mock drafts? All right, we got a final copy on the end of the line.
I know exactly what draft I get the chance.
Oh yeah? Jordan don't want to admit it, but he knows I'm better than fantasy too. Why do you think he went out and bought a whole jersey when he beat me that one year? He's a bum for that, dude. It was funny though.
Oh, who was the jersey of?
It's that Kyron Williams, because he picked him up off like free agency and went off. Dude, sometimes free agency is the way to go, dude. You can pick up some good guys off there. Sometimes too, if you're fishing, if you like little twitch your rod like this, it gets their attention. That's how I caught, when I was talking to you earlier, that's how I caught the thing. I literally just twitched it and then it worked. Gets their attention. Oh no, Drew, that old man might be capping. I just saw something poke up out of the water over here. I should have wore sunscreen. My pasty ass is getting burnt. Your poor tattoos are gonna fade. Come on, fish. There's one. Ah, I knew it. Oh, he's a better sized one. Damn. Damn.
That's a big one. You're having so much better luck.
I'm saying damn, but he's just long more than anything. No diddy.
So big.
Now that is a bass. The old man wasn't lying. Okay. Chill out, buddy.
Bro, why have you caught 3 before I've caught 1?
I was twitching the rod, I told you. I'm looking like a pussy right now. I just don't want to. Yeah, and whenever you catch one, you don't want to like twist them up. Okay, you want to support him if you like braid like this, because like if you like, you can break his jaw if you. The final copy, huh? Oh, he's kind of hit good. He got him in the tongue and the side. There we go. Kind of ripped the side of his mouth when he was fighting. Oh.
Oh, there he goes. See, buddy. Oh, nice.
Hey, I wasn't done with you yet. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, nice one. Yeah,
Something's good.
yeah, he's bleeding a little bit. All right. There he goes. Took off. All right. He got one. I was changing the GoPro battery. That's a better size. That's better size than the one. The same one, Loki. There you go. Nice. Good shit. All right. Do you what do you want me to do here? Yeah, Drew. Yeah. Let's go, Drew. He got a big boy.
Calm down, dude. Jeez.
He's decent size. He's big. Do you how do you want to do this? You want to get him off? You want me to get him off?
I can see if I'll just let you get it off. You're way better.
You want me to hand it? You want me to hand it to you and then you like take a picture with it?
Sure. I won't get a picture.
Jeez.
You can get it on video. I don't need a whole picture.
Well, it's high def, so I can send it.
Oh, that's all right. I'll get a picture of it on my line.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm trying to not get hit with it.
Oh wait, my bait. He took it.
Where did your bait go? He didn't even in his mouth. You should, come on, Drew. You gotta take a picture with it now. He doesn't have teeth. Just grip it on his tongue, not this, because it's a little spiky right here, but grip it like right there. And there you go. So we can like take a picture. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, baby. Let's go, Drew.
Oh yeah.
All right.
There you go.
Can't even see because oh yeah, there he goes. Let's go, Drew!
He took my bait.
Let's go! Let's go!
Or maybe he didn't, but
He might have fallen off when he was fighting. He's kind of fighting hard.
he really was.
It's all good. We have plenty of those, so it's fine. Let's go! Now I'm happy. We both caught some good sized bass. Gotta get you a GoPro. Get the other POV on the YouTube channel. Final copy. Drewby just caught one on a Senko. Hell yeah. This pond has definitely been much better than the last one. I'll tell you guys that. All right, we're calling it a day. Caught a total of what, 5?
5. I got 2, you got 3.
He got a good size one. Bro, we didn't have much luck after that, but it's all good. All right, appreciate y'all watching. The 5 people that watched. Thank you very much.